Okay, so I'm going to get my Real Techniques face brush and get some on. Ooh. I've used it once already before. I think it's really, really nice. So I'm just going to go on the perimeters of my face. A little bit more because I like to be nice and warm and tanned. So I'm going to get Charlotte Tilbury's blusher brush, just pinch it, dip it in, then just go down my nose because I want to give a bit of a shape to my nose, make it look nice and small. Right, so I've done that. I'm going to go in with a blusher. I'm using Ecstasy. It's my favourite Charlotte Tilbury blusher. So here we go. I've got the bronzer on and a bit of blush. Feel a little bit complete now. So yeah, have you guys ordered yours and what colours have you ordered? But at first when I received this, I did think, oh, it's really dark, but it's not actually that bad. It's not too dark. If you want to go dark, you can just build on it, but I think it's perfect shade for me. All over my forehead. Thanks for watching. See you guys.